So the second thing you want to do is pay down your debt strategically. So reducing your debt is always a great thing, but you want to have a strategy when you do it. So I suggest you test out two methods. You have the snowball method and then you have the avalanche method. The snowball method is when you pay down the lowest debt that you may have. And this will get your debt down, but it's more a motivational tactic to keep you doing it. Because when you have a higher bill to pay down, you're putting a lot of money towards that, and it may not come off for a few months, and then you get discouraged or you do something different or you just give up.